Hey everyone, we're just out for a drive. It has rained this afternoon. In the ditch we just found some prairie lilies. So for those that don't know, this is Saskatchewan's flower known as the red lily or the prairie lily. They grow wild in the ditches. So I'll walk over here and I will show you some more. It is illegal to pick them, I believe, or dig them out and move them. Get some real close there. Aren't they pretty? They're really lovely. Here's another one. There. So, that is a little bit of Saskatchewan for you. All right, get out there and enjoy the world. Okay, bye.